Good morning, welcome to Narrative Shores Prepping. I'm your host, Greg. Thank you for liking and more importantly, subscribing and leaving your comments. I get a lot of pass-throughs. Why don't you just subscribe, please? I appreciate you. All right, before we get into the main topic, I want to show you something here. Let's talk a little money. Everybody likes to talk about it. Not a lot of people have it. First off, I'm diversifying my very small, tiny portfolio for the future, just in case. One of the interesting things that doesn't cost a whole lot, but it is kind of neat, are the Goldbacks. They've been around for a while. They are real gold, 24 karat gold. This one is the Arizona Goldback half, and it contains 1/2000th of an ounce of gold. All right, so it is a trade unit. A lot of states have made these, and it is tradable in those states. It's not currency, but it is tradable in the states. And if you're interested in it, go to a bullion dealer or just look up buy Goldbacks. They come in a variety of denominations. And personally, Florida has the best looking ones in my opinion. But there are Texas, Utah, I believe South Dakota, Oklahoma. You have a variety to look at a very small price. Just something to add to your collection, barter, whatever it is you're looking for. Next, the poor man's gold, silver. This is what's called a generic blank. Doesn't carry a lot of premium. It is still a 1 ounce silver. And silver yesterday morning hit a high of $83 and change on its way to $85. However, JP Morgan and Chase Bank sold off the notes, driving the price down to where we're at now of $78. So this is a long-term investment. Don't panic. Remember, weak hands sell this off in times of panic and everything else, saying I'm losing money and I'm going to sell it while it's at $75, $77 and get my money back, take the profit. Strong hands buy this up and never put it back on the market. So think about that. We buy. Out of each paycheck, you can afford to buy an ounce. Put it away, just buy and save it for the future. Okay? That's building your money. Next, here is something that has exploded on the market, and it is sold out and selling out from all the bullion dealers. These are getting incredibly hard to buy. The price of copper is skyrocketing because the mines are shut down. The demand is high, and this is a 1 ounce copper round. Hope you can see it. It is not the copper bars or piping you get at Home Depot for construction use. As you can see, these are designed 1 ounce, and this Freedom Girl is what's called, also is made in silver at a fraction of the cost, the poor man's silver. These are selling out all the time. Next, 2 ounce copper, little higher price. Again, not the copper bars you see at your DIY stores. These are designed and they're a trade unit. They do carry value. Another stackable item in your economic portfolio for your preparation. Selling out quickly. All the bullion dealers that you could buy it from have alert me when they're back in stock. Right now, the demand for copper worldwide, and especially here in the United States, is outpacing the copper mines that can produce. So we are in a world of hurt, and that's why they are selling out. Next, things that are extremely hard to come by, 5 ounce copper. Again, more valuable, poor man's silver, but the price is going up. And as you can see, it's the year of the tiger. It's very cool design. They come in a variety of shape, variety of designs, all kinds of stuff right there. Sold out. Can't get them. I ordered these over a week ago, 10 days, and I finally got it. And if you go to the bullion dealers and try to buy copper bars for stacking, and that's what it's called, stacking. If you're new to this, you're stacking silver, you're stacking copper and everything else. And again, what's right for you. A little bit out of each paycheck. Your bills are paid first. Your fund money, sort of speaking. Eliminate the $7 cup of coffee. Eliminate the $100 hair and nail deals. Going out for drinks and everything else, and start investing in your future. Buying silver and buying copper for your future, and just stacking it up out of sight, not talking about it. Stacking. That's what it's called, stacking. You're not handling the copper, you're just looking at it, appreciating the design, the artwork, and the value, and just stacking it up for a future. This will go up in value. It already has. And I'm happy about that. Your silver, I'm already making money from silver that I purchased at $24, $25, $30, $40, so on and so forth. I'm making money, but it's just sitting someplace safe for the future in case of emergency, in case of the economic collapse, and the banks are controlling that right now. I am going outside the bank. I am going outside the Fed. I am buying this, stacking it, and just saying, in case of emergency, in case of emergency, this will hold value. You can trade it off. You could sell it for whatever currency. You can barter this right here. And it is a recognized, since man started mining, has intrinsic value. It will always be valuable. Somebody will always trade goods or services for this. People say, well, you ounce of silver, you won't be able to buy food or anything else. No, but you may be able to buy services. Trading for mechanic, trading for protection, trading for whatever services you need, dental, medical, whatever you need, you can barter that for your services for your prepping future. You got to start paying attention, friends. The banks and everything else are running us up and down in circles, seeing highs of 83 and then crashing it down to 75. And those are the daytime traders saying, I'm buying futures on paper for silver. They're not holding silver. Your stack has not been affected in any way, shape, or form by what you're holding. It is the futures and the buyers and the sellers of paper. They're playing games. They're running it up saying silver could hit $300 an ounce by 2027, running that up, creating people saying, I'm buying it now at $83 because if it goes up to $300, I'll make a big profit. Then they drop the bomb on them and put sell orders out while these people were snapping it up, grabbing on the bet it's going to be $300. And the people that sold it, the big banks, J.P. Morgan, Bank of America, all that, pulled the rug out from underneath them, sold it, and they made the money while the buyers lost it. But it's all on paper. The physical demand still says $85, $90 an ounce. To put it in your hand, put it in your savings account, put it in your vault, wherever you want to put it that's safe, I highly recommend that. So that's the money talk for this morning. I'm going to do another video right after that. Just a fun investment, $7. Gold, still a barter item, and they come with a variety of design shapes and stuff. Very interesting. Goldbacks, look it up on YouTube or read about it just by researching it. Go to your search engine and put in Goldbacks, how to buy them, where to buy them, and everything else. They are becoming scarce as well. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. Greg out.